DeepSeek is shaking up the AI industry once again, racing to drop its next AI model ahead of schedule, undercutting OpenAI by up to 40 times in cost and setting off alarm bells across the tech world. Meanwhile, Alibaba's VideoAI is already outpacing OpenAI's Sora, and Western governments are starting to panic. With OpenAI rolling out new deep research tools and voice features, a critical question looms: how persuasive should AI really be? Let's break it all down. First, let's talk about DeepSeek's aggressive strategy. Their R1 model, launched in January, took everyone by surprise, delivering high-level reasoning capabilities at a fraction of OpenAI's costs. Google called their claims exaggerated. OpenAI suspected potential distillation from ChatGPT's infrastructure, but the impact was undeniable. Big players like Microsoft and Amazon Web Services jumped on board, integrating R1 into their platforms. Now DeepSeek is gearing up for R2, originally slated for May, but reports suggest an earlier release, potentially within weeks. The R2 model promises enhanced coding capabilities and advanced multilingual reasoning, which is huge as most AI models are still predominantly optimized for English. If DeepSeek beats GPT 4.5 to the market, it could further disrupt the AI hierarchy. Cost is their biggest advantage. Analysts estimate that DeepSeek's models are 20 to 40 times cheaper than OpenAI's, making them an attractive alternative for startups and major enterprises alike. So how is DeepSeek pulling this off? Their founder, a billionaire from the quant hedge fund Highflyer, runs the company more like a research lab than a profit-first startup. Unlike traditional Chinese tech firms, DeepSeek employees work normal 8-hour days and are paid premium salaries, up to 1.5 million yuan annually for senior scientists, far exceeding the industry standard. What's their technical edge? It boils down to mixture of experts, MOE, and multi-head latent attention, MLA, methods that optimize AI efficiency by activating only parts of the model needed for specific tasks, drastically cutting computational costs. Their Firefly 2 AI cluster, built before the US banned NVIDIA chip exports to China, gave them an enormous strategic advantage securing high-performance AI compute while Western companies were scrambling. Meanwhile, Alibaba is making waves in AI video generation, unveiling Wan 2.1, an open-source foundation model that's reportedly outpacing OpenAI's Sora on benchmarks. Alibaba's Wan 2.1 includes multiple submodels specialized for text-to-video, image-to-video, video editing, and even video-to-audio. They even optimized a smaller version to run on consumer GPUs like the RTX 4090, democratizing high-quality AI video generation. They trained their model on 1.5 billion videos and 10 billion images, fine-tuning it with a 3D causal VAE architecture and flow-matching diffusion transformers, making it one of the most sophisticated video AIs available. While China's AI ecosystem keeps evolving, Western governments are cracking down on DeepSeek. Italy, South Korea, and other nations have restricted DeepSeek's apps over privacy concerns, and some worry that advanced AI models could be used for misinformation campaigns or social engineering attacks. The geopolitical AI battle is heating up. On the OpenAI front, there have been some major developments. They've expanded access to their deep research tool, previously available only to $200/month pro users, and are now rolling it out to all paid subscribers, including team and enterprise customers. Deep Research AI is designed for in-depth, resource-heavy queries, sometimes taking 5 to 30 minutes per response, offering highly detailed reports with images and citations. But free users? Still locked out. OpenAI has also been addressing persuasion risks with AI. In their latest white paper, they discuss how AI models could be weaponized for mass persuasion, generating highly personalized content that subtly shapes people's beliefs. Tests revealed that OpenAI's deep research model was more persuasive than previous versions, raising concerns about how AI could manipulate human behavior at scale. As a result, OpenAI is holding back on releasing an API for this model until they figure out how to manage the risks. But that's not all. OpenAI is also expanding its voice mode preview to free users, allowing real-time conversations with ChatGPT. This feature enables users to interrupt and redirect AI mid-response, making it more natural and interactive. The model powering this voice mode is a GPT-4 mini variant, optimized for smooth, responsive dialogue. And there's another potential game changer. Apple and OpenAI are reportedly working on a ChatGPT integration deal for AI-powered voice assistants on iPhones and MacBooks. If true, this partnership could make AI voice interactions more seamless than ever. So, what's next? Prices are dropping, competition is intensifying, and the AI ecosystem is evolving at breakneck speed. DeepSeek is moving fast to capture global markets, Alibaba is innovating in AI video, and OpenAI is wrestling with how powerful AI should really be. The AI race is shifting rapidly, and the balance of power might not stay the same for long. What do you think? Will DeepSeek challenge OpenAI, or will Western companies push back harder? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI deep dives.